Graphic images of the deadly tsunami continue to...
Tens of thousands of barrels of oil.
Thousands of workers marched in anger over loss of jobs. Which lasted about a minute. This felt throughout the
The region is still trying to recover from the damage.
Tummies, teary eyes.
We'll find a way.
Open mouths and tainted skies.
We'll find a way.
Failed attempts and broken dreams.
We'll find a way.
We're living our lives to the extreme.
We'll find a way.
To keep the balance all in tow.
We'll find a way.
There's so much more we need to know. We'll find a way, a way. We'll find a way. I turn to God for His support. We'll find a way. Stolen money, He can't be bought. We'll find a way. Lies and sin and hate and greed. It's turning angels into thieves. We'll find a way, a way. Find a way, As the race goes on, we take more and more, till there's nothing left for our needs. And when it's all gone, we'll wonder what went wrong. We could live our lives organically. We'll find a way. Planting seeds that end the wars.
We'll find a way.
Feed the oceans, clean the shores.
We'll find a way.
Let our children know there's something to believe. It's better to give than to receive. We'll find a way. We'll find a
Did you think you would live?
Live? Why not?